Hey Gunjan. Hi Satish. Hello. Hi Jayant. Thank you all for joining. I'm so excited today. Can't say how much. This is my first live on Facebook. I've done so many shows all these years, like past 20 years. But this is my first Facebook live and I'm super excited. Probably I'll just talk out of the mic when I'm talking. Hi Satish. How's the echo? So when I'm talking, is there too much of echo that you hear? Hi Gaurish, thanks for watching. Hi Ashi, hi Karima. That's great. Okay, so wow, I have my dad connecting from India as well. Awesome. So and all the lights that are behind, all the green light is my husband. That's good. Thank you, Satish. Okay, I'm starting it formally now. Hi all, thank you for joining. This is so exciting for me as well. So I'm sorry about that. So yeah. So how do you, I'm just, when I'm talking, I'm going to just talk out of the mic. That works, right? Hi Usha and Vasu. Hi Shabana. How's the echo when I talk out of the mic? Is it okay? Is it still echoing? Okay. The echo is a bit more. Okay. Awesome. So awesome, guys. I'm so happy to be here today. Thank you, Satish Bala. Thank you, Michelle. Thank you, the DesiFest team to work this out. It's so nice to see you all my friends. I can see all of them joining. Hi, Hilda. Hi, Purbasa. Hi, Robert. Thank you for joining. So I know this COVID period is kind of stressing out, staying at home most of the days, apart from grocery stuff. But the other side, it has given us all a lot of time to explore on what we should be doing, what we missed out. So good and the bad is what I would say. Amazing. So I'm Sharmila Ganesh. I'm formally introducing. I'm Sharmila Ganesh. I'm basically from Chennai. I moved to Toronto like 6 years back in May, obviously. So 6 years back, and now here I am in Don Mills and Shepherd. I've been performing with a band called Megatuners for the last 6 years. They are one of the best manual Tamil orchestra in Toronto. We've been doing shows in and out of Toronto, like in USA, California, Boston, name it. I've also been doing shows with the Bollywood Eastern Group, along with Aditya and all my team members in Bollywood Eastern Group for a while now. At least 3 years. That's an amazing group. And I've been singing Telugu and Malayalam as well with my other Telugu groups, friend of groups that I have. So that is me. I started singing at a very young age. I have done my playback singing in Tamil movies, along with my first song was with S.P. Balasubramaniam sir. I sang for Yuvan Shankar Raja, then I sang for Shankar Mahadevan sir. So that was a couple of songs that I made for playback. And now I'm here. I'm so happy being here and still able to continue what I love so much. And by profession, I'm in IT. Also, my profession is singing. I also do take classes in Don Mills and Shepherd. I give Carnatic vocal training as well. So that is another part of it. Thank you all for connecting and watching now. So without any delay, I think I can start my first song. I'm just gonna go my first song with a Tamil song. You all will definitely like it. Thank you, Sangeeta ji. Thank you so much. Thank you, Jayant. Thank you, Raniaka, for joining. So let me start up. You all will definitely like the song. Let me know about the sound. Very importantly, please all of you like DesiFest page. They are promoting all the young artists. So DesiFest, I think everybody would be knowing DesiFest by now. They do a very big show every year in Yangan Dandas. And whatever they're doing right now live on Facebook, that's amazing. They have artists performing every night, every evening, every weekend. They pick and choose amazing people. You should watch Decifest Sofa Sessions. It's amazing. If you are a starter, a beginner, you can even connect with Decifest Satish Bala. They would, provide you a slot if all sounds good. Okay, that is all. Too much of talking, so I'm just gonna get back to singing. So my first song is very close to my heart. It's a Tamil song. Let me know about the sound. Okay. Thank you, Akka. Thank you, Manoj. Love you all. Thank you. Just let me know if the mic volume should be high or low. கூடு விட்டு கூடு ஜீவன் பாயும் போது much for all the comments and likes and hearts that you guys have been sending so long. Thank you so much. How was the sound? Was the voice lower? Was the karaoke lower? Just let me know so that I can just fix it before I proceed any further. Thank you, Karthik. Thank you, Zora. Thank you, Kamesh. Thank you, Manoj. Thank you, Tejwant. Awesome. So I think the sound is then good. That's what you all have said. Thank you, Ritesh. My husband has been distracting me for quite a long time. Yes. I should say this. He's been tuning more and more when I'm singing. I know he loves me more. Thank you, Akka. Thank you so much. So with that said, I would like to perform Hindi number for sure. So let me start with one Hindi. Okay. So I have my lyrics. I'm just picking it up. I didn't order them. Awesome. Here I have. Oh yeah. You're right, Ritesh. I totally agree. Thank you, Daddy. Love you too. So let me go. This is another favorite. I've been singing this song for quite a long time. From the time I've been in Toronto, one of my friend, very close friend, Bhagyashree, referred this song to me, and then first love it is. So I've been singing this in all Bollywood stages. So one quick second and I'm gonna just push it up. Thank you, Answer. Thank you, Manoj.
जो मेरे नाल तो रह
you all so much. I'm just overwhelmed already with all the comments and love that you guys have been showing. Thank you, Pooja. Thank you so much. So, what shall we do next? Is it a Tamil, a Hindi? I do have one Malayalam and Telugu number planned for today. Thank you, Rilsa. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you so much. Very lovely. So happy to see this. You should be performing all this just to feel happy. Trust me. Makes you fly. So, should we go on Hindi or just thinking? Any suggestions? I know, definitely. Oh, Avdesh, thank you for joining. So, let me do one Tamil and then get back to Hindi again. We do have to dedicate all the songs to frontline workers. Whoever we have here in this group, whoever's family is with frontline workers, we do all these songs for you as well. So let me get back to the list I have. How about Jadoo Hai Nasha Hai? How many of you like that? Okay, let me do Jadoo Hai Nasha Hai. Yes, Kehna Hai Kya is coming. It's on the queue. Thank you, for sure. Oh, thank you so much. Very kind of you, Ritesh. Yeah, everything, all the songs are coming up. One more Hindi and then we go back to Tamil. Yes, I am doing. जादू है नशा है मदहोशियाँ तुझको बुला के अब जाऊँ कहाँ जादू है नशा है मदहोशियाँ तुझको बुला के अब जाऊँ कहाँ देखती है जिस तरह से तेरी नजरें मुझे मैं खुद को छुपाऊं कहाँ जादू है नशा है मदहोशियाँ तुझको बुला के अब जाऊं कहाँ देखती है जिस तरह से तेरी नजरें मुझे मैं खुद को छुपाऊं कहाँ जादू है नशा है मदहोशियाँ तुझको बुला के अब जाऊं कहाँ Hey Arni, thanks for joining. Thank you so much. Oh, love you, Shabana. Love you all. Hey, girl. ये पल है अपना, तो इस पल को जी ले की तरह जरा चल के जी ले पल झपकते खो न जाना छूके कर लो यकीन न जाने पल ये पाए कहाँ जादू है नशा है मदहोशियाँ तुझको बुला के अब जाऊं कहाँ talking time. Thank you so much. Let me know what Ilayaraja songs you would like. I would definitely pick that up for you. Oh, thank you. Love you too. Oh, there I go. I see a lot of hearts. तुझको बोला कि अब जाओ कहाँ, देखती है जिस तरह से तेरी नजरें मुझे, मैं खुद को छुपाऊंगा। Thank you so much. Thank you, Anita, for joining. Thank you, Sangeeta. Hi, Nas. Thanks for joining. Thank you for all the love. Oh, yeah, I was thinking about Urusanam. Thank you for suggesting that. My tongue is locked. Let me just sip some more water. Thank you so much. Oh, Shandini Dev. I can do a couple of lines for Malare Maunama since to do it. Malare, Malare Maunama, Mauname Vedama மலர்கள் பேசுமா, பேசினால் ஓயுமா அன்பே மலரே. I hope you liked it. So, why don't I do Urusanam now, right? I should do Urusanam. I'm completely now out of my list, but I'm happy doing that. Thank you. Okay, it's going to be Urusanam. Again, just meanwhile I load my karaoke, I'm just suggesting all my friends to like Desi Fest page. They do rock. They are amazing. They've been bringing in so much of talents from April. I've been seeing so good. I don't know where they found all this from. And it's not only in Toronto or in Canada. It's US, India, you name it. They just pull in talents from anywhere. So just stay connected on Desi Fest. And I'm there as well. Okay, let's go here. Other way, other touch, nothing.
Echo.
I'm about to start. It's not playing yet. Okay, that was something. ஒரு சனம் தூங்கிருச்சு, ஊத காத்தோ அடைச்சிருச்சு, பாவி மனம் sir for joining. Thank you Bhaskar. ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு நீங்க எல்லாம் இருக்கிறது. ஒரு சனம் தூங்கிருச்சு, ஓத காத்தோம் அடிச்சிருச்சு, பாவி மனம் தூங்கலை, அதுவும் ஏனோ புரியலை. ஒரு சனம் தூங்கிருச்சு, ஓத காத்தோம் அடிச்சிருச்சு, பாவி மனம் தூங்கலை, அதுவும் ஏனோ புரியலை. தூங்கிடாதீங்க. Thank you Mukta. Happy you liked it. Oh my god, I'm just all cheap. Thank you Gunjan, love you. குயில் கருங்குயில் மாம மலக்குயில் கோலம் போடும் பாட்டாளே, மயில இளமயில மாம கவிக்குயில் ராகம் பாடும் கேட்டாலே, செய்தி சொல்லும் பாட்டாலே, உன்னை எண்ணினானே உள்ளம் வாடி போனே, கண்ணி பொண்ணுதானே ஏன் மாமனே, ஏன் மாமனே, ஒத்தையில அத்த மக, ஒன்ன நினைச்சு ரசிச்ச மக, கண்ணு ரெண்டும் மூடலை, கால நேரம் போடலை. ஒரு சனம் தூங்கிருச்சு, ஓத காத்தோ அடிச்சிருச்சு, பாவி மனம் தூங்கலை, அதுவும் ஏனோ புரியலை. Thank you Raj. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you Sujata. Oh, for sure. மாமா உதடுபட்டு நாதம் தரும் குழல, நானா மாறக்கூடாதா, நானும் தவம் இருந்து நானும் கேட்டு வரும் கூடும் காலம் வாராதா, மாமன் காதில் சேராதா, நிலா காயும் நேரம் நெஞ்சு கொள்ள பாரம், மேலும் மேலும் ஏனோ இந்த நேரம்தான், இந்த நேரம்தான், உன்னை எண்ணி பொட்டு வச்சு, ஓல பாய போட்டு வச்சு, இஷ்டப்பட்ட ஆசை மச்சான், என்னை எங்க எங்க வச்சான். ஒரு சனம் தூங்கிருச்சு, ஓத காத்தோ அடிச்சிருச்சு, பாவி மனம் தூங்கலை, அதுவும் ஏனோ புரியலை. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm so proud and happy that I have so many good friends to join me today to watch the show. All that love and likes is just making me sing more and more. My husband is not happy yet, you know. He's still tuning. Okay. He's showing me something. Sorry, what is it? I'll wake up at 11. That's my text. Okay. Okay, that's some distraction. Thank you, El sir. You should better, you should have taken him with you. Thank you so much. So, do we have any Telugu friends here? I was thinking about performing a beautiful Telugu melody. Okay. Look at that. Harini, really? Okay. Yes, Ganesh, please come and take him. Okay, thank you all. Thank you so much. I'm just going to do the next one on my list. Would you like to hear any Telugu numbers? Yes. Oh yeah, I have a yes. Oh yeah, thank you, Shamla. So I do have a couple of Telugu friends who said they would be joining. I'm sorry, I've been talking to the mic. Yeah. So yeah, Subha. So let me just do one Telugu and then come back to Tamil. It's a beautiful song. I just loved it. Hi, Abhi. Thank you for joining. I have too many folders here, confusing me. Sorry about that. Okay. You know what? I'm just comparing. Sorry about that, guys. You will love it. Oh, thank you for joining, Chandrika. There we go. You will love it. One of my students' mom suggested this song for a Telugu show. It is a beautiful song. I hope she joined. Hi, Chandrika. Thanks for joining. That's what happens when you have a distracting husband.
ప్రియతమా ప్రియతమా పలికినది హృదయమే సరిగమా చిలిపిని తలపులో తెలిసినది వలపులో మరుదిమా.
Sorry about that. I'm just interrupted here. I'm just getting a little whistle, so I'll just correct it.
You don't control that.
ಇಲ್ಲ that's enough. ಇದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ yeah it's good. Check ಇಲ್ಲ you ಎಲ್ಲಾமே mute ಆಯ್ತು. Yeah, this is good. Sorry about that. I'm just going to do it again. Yeah, he's too happy, Akka, I know. Yeah, for sure. That's coming up. Echo karchira mama. Hello? Okay, I think we're good.
ప్రియతమా ప్రియతమా పలికినది హృదయమే సరిగమా చిలిపిని తలపులో తెలిసినది వలుపులో మధురిమా చిలి చూపు తాకినా ఉలకవా పలకవా వల వేసి వేచి చూస్తున్నా దొరకనే దొరకవా ఇష్టమైన సకుడా ఒక్కసారి చూడరా పిల్లడా చక్కనైన చుక్కరా నిన్ను కోరుకుందిరా సుందరా ప్రియతమా ప్రియతమా పలికినది హృదయమే సరిగమా చిలిపిని తలపులో తెలిసినది వలుపులో మధురిమా.
Thank you so much. hope you all love that song. Did you all? Oh, thank you so much, Ritesh. I can hear somewhere. It's been recorded and replayed. Okay. Thank you all so much. A couple of you have requested Kannada songs. I do know, what do I say? I do know duets. So I can definitely sing a few lines for you. That's another favorite. I've sung that so many times with the great legend S.P. Balasubramaniam sir in so many shows. So I would definitely do that few lines for you now. Thank you so much. Any guesses what I'm going to sing? Definitely those who know me know this song. I would be singing this song. Anyways, I'm going to sing this song.
ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯಲಿ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯಲಿ ರುಬಿನು ಹೀಗೆ ಇಂತು ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯಲಿ ರುಬಿನು ಹೀಗೆ ಇಂತು ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯಲಿ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯಲಿ ರುಬಿನು ಹೀಗೆ ಇಂತು ಹಾ ಇಂತ ಮಾತಾಡಿದೆ ಇಂತು ನೀ ಇಂತ ಮಾತಾಡಿದೆ ನನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನ ಭಾವನೆ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಜೊತೆಯಲಿ ಜೊತೆ ಜೊತೆಯಲಿ ರುಬಿನು ಹೀಗೆ ಎಂದು
I think that's a lot of echo, right? Let me know, please. Oh, yeah, that's right, Jane Dona.
जाने दो ना जाने दो ना मुझको जाने दो ना छोड़ो बाहों मेरी मुझे तो जाने दो ना ना जिद ना करो ना ऐसी जिद ना करो तुम्हें मेरी कसम नारादा ना जाने दो ना जाने दो ना मुझको जाने दो ना.
Okay, yeah, sure. I will do that. And let's get back to Hindi song. What do I have? How many of you... okay, anyways, I'm going to sing it. I know you will like it. Oh, thank you. Thank you, dear. So let me play. This is another fun song. Let me know if I'm too loud talking on the mic, if it's echoing. Oh, you're welcome, Chandrika. Yes, very illicit. You're very right. Sure, Karthik. Kandipa. Thank you, Satish.
कनक प्रीत की सर पे ओढ़ कर घूमर घूमर घूमे हाँ घूमर घूमर घूमे और अलग रीत सब जग की छोड़ कर घूमर घूमर घूमे भर के डोला वाले घाट घूमर 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 घूमे घूमर घूमर घूमे रे भाई साहब घूमर घूमे रे हमारी सारी काया बोले ढोला जी की छाया जब भी डोले सोनपन में मेला करके ढोला वाली तात घूमर 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 घूमे रे
Yes, Sangeeta ji. You're not here. I can dance with you if you're here. Is the volume okay for the karaoke? Some karaoke it's less, some it's more. Thank you so much.
तारी एहसासों की रौनक है मारी दीवाली मन महल की सारी दीवारें तारे रंग रंग वाली तारी एहसासों की रौनक है मारी दीवाली मन महल की सारी दीवारें तारे रंग रंग वाली बाकी तरसाया तन है जगमगाया तारों बारे हो गई मारी सारी काली रात भर की डोला वाली धाट घूमर 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 घूमे रे घूमर घूमर घूमेरे भाई साहब घूमर घूमेरे हमारी सारी काया बोले ढोल जी की छाया होले मन का घूमर जब भी डोले सोनपन में मेला करके ढोला वाले ताट घूमर 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 घूमे रे घूमर घूमर घूमेरे भाई साहब घूमर घूमे रे आ घूमर 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 घूमे रे
Thank you all. Thank you all. That's so much of love. It just makes you more high, makes you sing more and more and more. Thank you so much. I'm just trying to read. Okay. I think that's excitement. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you, Pooja. I'm enjoying this equally. When I started, I was like, I'm doing this for the first time, so is it okay? Yes, no. But then now I'm like, wow, I love this. I think I lost the check. I'm just checking again. So we have check. We have few more minutes. So I'm gonna do. I tried hard to get a karaoke for this song. This is a beautiful song, but unfortunately there's no karaoke available. I'm just gonna do that song without without karaoke. Do we have any Malayalam friends here? Just let me know. I do have something planned for you. Quick minute. So let me know if you have any suggestions. I have a few more minutes. I can definitely do a few lines of that song, Akka. Sure. Oh, thank you, Gunjanji. Okay.
நானொரு சிந்து காவடி சிந்து நானொரு சிந்து காவடி சிந்து ராகம் புரியவில்லை உள்ள சோகம் தெரியவில்லை சொந்தம் இருந்தும் பந்தம் இருந்தும் சொல்ல முடியவில்லை அது சொல்ல தெரியவில்லை.
Oh yeah, we have Raghu coming up. He's going to start up another fantastic show for you guys at 8 p.m. I never knew that this session will go this faster. Just flew away, right? Thank you, Mary, for joining. So I'm just going to do one, the one that I wanted to do. It's a beautiful song. You will all definitely like it.
ஐயையோ ஆனந்தமே நெஞ்சுக்குள்ளே
I love that song, and thank you for listening to that song. I think that's end of this show. Thank you so much, Satish. I wanted to do a couple of other numbers, Tamil and Malayalam, but we are out of time. Thank you so much, all of you, for joining. So please join. The next session is at 8, where one of the amazing performer, Raghu, is joining us tonight. So just join. I know a couple of songs I wasn't able to do it, but next time I will do it for sure. Thank you so much. We'll do this session more. Thank you. Love you all. Thank you, Satish. I hope I should just disconnect, if I'm right. I pushed the finish button. Am I right? Oh, sure. Thank you. Next time I'm coming more with Kuttu numbers, okay? Thank you all for joining. You are amazing people here. Thank you, Satish. Thank you, Ritesh. Thank you, Michelle, for all of this. Thank you, the DesiFest team. We'll do this more and more. Satish, can we do one more song? Or is this finished? Yup, finish. Okay. That's great. Okay, guys. I will definitely connect again back with you. It's an amazing show. Please stay connected with DesiFest. And with me, this is Sharmila Ganesh signing off for today. And we'll do more of this again and again. Bye-bye.